Take the pressure off pouch application. Natura cut-to-fit moldable skin barriers with accordion flange are designed to make pouch application easier and more comfortable. We're going to show you how to apply both the cut-to-fit and moldable skin barriers. We'll be covering cut-to-fit first. Application of the Natura cut-to-fit with accordion flange. Start by measuring your stoma to select the appropriate size skin barrier. Next, trace the stoma size on the center of the white release paper on the reverse side of the skin barrier. Then cut 1/8 of an inch larger than you're tracing. Pull off the clear release liner from the back side of the wafer and position the circular opening over your stoma. Your skin should be clean and dry at the time of application. Remove the white release paper and press against the skin. Smooth the tape collar and hold the barrier in place for 30 seconds. Application of the Natura moldable skin barrier with accordion flange. Start by measuring the stoma and selecting the appropriate size skin barrier. At this point, do not remove the clear release liner on the back of the skin barrier. Roll back the opening of the disc to match the size of your stoma. Do not stretch, pull, or cut the adhesive. Now you can peel off the clear release liner and place the skin barrier over your stoma. Your skin should be clean and dry at the time of application. Remove the white release paper, then press the skin barrier into place. If necessary, adjust the molded adhesive by pushing up to your stoma, ensuring a snug fit. Smooth and hold the skin barrier in place for 30 seconds. Applying your pouch to the accordion flange. Separate the sides of the pouch to allow some air to enter. Next, pull up the accordion flange on your barrier into the up position or pulled away from your body. While holding the accordion flange, with your thumbs on top and your fingers underneath, align the flanges of the pouch and skin barrier. Start at the bottom and apply pressure around the flanges of the pouch and barrier until they are completely snapped together all the way around. At this point, the accordion can be folded into the down position for a flat profile. To find out more, or if you have more questions, call 1-800-422-8811 to speak with one of our Me Plus specialists, or you can visit Convatec.com.